the channel. Welcome. This is Kalita Stylish Way. Today's look, I am doing a Valentine's look, and this is how it come out. Yeah, I say I wanted to do a glam look, so I say how Valentine's is coming up. Why not jump into Valentine's and do a look one time for you all? So this is the glam look, so I come closer. Yeah, and this is how it come out. So right now I'm liking it. I don't know it would come out so good. It's a long time I do a glam makeup. Usually I just go to neutrals or soft for daytime because errands had to run. But to go somewhere, I don't really do any glam makeup anymore because of the pandemic. So this is how the glam makeup come out Valentine's Day. I hope you all like it. So please tune in and let's get into how I did this makeup. Alright, so I'm so happy right now. It come out very well. And please don't forget subscribe, like, comment, and put on your notification bells. So when I upload videos, you will see when they come up on your device. So let us jump right in, and I am doing a voiceover. I like how the last one came out, so when I'm doing makeup now, I'll be doing voiceovers. But if I'm doing whole of fashion or something, I will talk to you all directly, right? So let us jump right in. Bye. It's good to be back again with a next makeup tutorial. Hi Glam subscribers, welcome back. I'm going in with the Pore Professional Benefit, and I'm going to rub it in my face. This primer is to minimize your pores. As I said in the previous videos, I have big pores, so I just buy primers that could minimize my pores. I did my eyebrows off camera, but I did feathery eyebrows for you all today with this look. So I hope you all like it, and I'll come closer for you all to see. I took some L'Oreal Paris Hydrating Perfect translucent powder and tap it in my face so I can get that matte finish underneath my foundation. I usually do this in every routine. I am taking my Jollilicious lip gloss, RK by Kisses, and I will be applying it on my lips. So when I'm ready to apply my lip gloss or lipstick, it shall be moist. I am going in with my P. Louise Base Eyeshadow Primer in Rumor 0. I apply this before I put on my eyeshadow, so my eyeshadow could come out with full vibrant pigment. I am going in with a brush called Showstopper Beauty. This brush, I'm using it to tap out the eyeshadow base before I apply the eyeshadow. The next brush is a Showstopper Beauty brush as well. I'll be using that to tap in the base so that I can get a smooth finish. The first palette I'll be using is the Dose by Juvia's Place, and the eyeshadow I will be using as my transition color is Cream. That will be my transition color that I will be building up first. So I am tapping it in the outer corners of my eyes, and I will be building it up and working it towards my eyebrows. I will not be working it towards my inner corner of my eyes, if you can see. So I'll be back and forth in the palette with a transition color Cream to build it up, and then I'll be blending it out a little until I reach the volume that I want. These palettes that I am using is to die for. I am going in with the Festival by Juvia's, and I'll be using Irie, it is a fuchsia pink color. I will be patting that over my transition color to the outer corner of my crease, and I will be filling it up as well. While you all are watching how I am blending the eyeshadow, you all can see my background job. I did made that for myself, my own DIY. I am loving it so much. I had it for a while, so I say why not put it up for the Valentine's Day glam look so you all can see it. I used different shades of board to get the flowers that I wanted, the shade of flowers I wanted. But anyhow, hope you all enjoying this glam look so far, and I have more to come, but mostly soft look. I am going back in the Dose by Juvia's cream, and I am blending the outer corner of the fuchsia pink eyeshadow. I will be going back in with the Festival by Juvia's, and I will be dipping into the fuchsia pink again. And also is a fur, I will be applying that red color over the fuchsia pink and blending it in to get a deeper color. Pat, blend, and make sure you blend exactly where the fuchsia pink is. Do not blend any other direction. So you see it get deeper and it looks pretty well. So you just need to blend. Going back in with the Dose by Juvia's and blending out the outer side of the eyeshadow so it will look harsh on the outer side of the eye. Now I'm going in with the P. Louise base Rumor Zero, and I will be cleaning up on my eyelids so I can apply a next eyeshadow color. But I'm not cutting the crease, I'm just applying the base on the lids. Going back in the Dose of Juvia's palette and applying puffs, that pink shimmery color over my lids so I can get that nice finish pinky look. I keep on going back into the palette and picking up eyeshadow and tapping it in so I could get the full consistency that I want. So it will be a back and forth process, right? And then I will be going in and blending out that harsh line you see there, so it will look like two eyeshadow that does not look blend. I want to blend in properly. If you can see, I went in again with the Festival by Juvia's and I trying to merge it together. Now I'm going in with Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Black Eyeliner and make my wing, and I will be making a big wing this time. So sit back and watch, and then after I'll be going in with Tres Bella Cosmetic glitter, and I will be putting that over my eyelid with some glitter glue, but I will be applying the glitter glue first and then I'll be applying the glitters over it. But I will not be putting it very heavy. I will be putting the glitters very light so it can look a little shimmery. You see how it is glittering? I am taking my Garnier lotion and clean up on the side of my wing with a Q-tip so it could be sharp and clean like that. I did my next eye off camera, so this is how it look with the both eyes. Very beautiful. Now I am going in with my foundation. What I did, I take two colors and I blend it together, two different shade of foundation, and I made my own shade of foundation, if you understand what I'm trying to say. I didn't want to use the MAC, I didn't want to use something different. So I am blending in my foundation. If you can see, it is perfectly my shade. I am accustomed doing this for clients, so I know what goes with what. So I keep on blending until I get that look that I am looking for. I'll be going in with my Makeup Fix Plus Spray and Slay, and I will be spritzing all over my face. Wet, I like it wet, and then I'll be taking the sponge and tapping it in so the foundation can merge and it can come out with a matte finish. For my concealer, I'll be using Maybelline New York Superstay Full Coverage. First time I'm using this, so I will love to see how it will come out. So I'm doing the usual, putting it under my eyes, over my forehead, on my chin, and straight down my nose. For this look, I am using a AOA Studio sponge, blending sponge, and it also damp. I'll be tapping in the concealer into my face. For my contour, I'll be using Revolution Concealer and Define, and I will be putting this on the perimeter of my face. I do not swipe the concealer on my face. I build it up on my face, the consistency that I want, and I blend it out to my likeness. As I said before, makeup do not have any rules. You can use some concealer to contour your face as well. We are going in with the same pattern as the previous video. When I finish contouring, I'm going into with my Makeup Fix Plus Spray and Slay and spritz over my face, and then I'll be tapping in everything together so it could become one. Same as well with my nose. So then I'll be going in with my Airspun highlighting loose powder, and I will be applying this on my concealer underneath my eyes, over my nose, underneath my chin, and on my forehead. And then I will be leaving it for a little while, 2 minutes or so it could bake and set on the concealer. Glam subscribers, feel free to ask me any questions concerning makeup. Comment below and I will answer you back. Make sure and like, comment, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so when I upload you can see when the video is up. Then I will be going in with the City Color Contour Palette. I will be applying the bronzer over the contour to darken it up a little so I can get that nice finishing touch. 2 minutes has passed, so I will be dusting out the highlighter powder, and I will be using my Makeup Spray and Slay to spritz my face, and then I will be going in with the A&A blending sponge and tap in the products into my skin to get that flawless finish. If you can't see, Auto eyeliner in black. I will be using this in my waterline. This product is very pigmented, so I like it to use it in my waterline. I did my other eye off camera, and you will see both eyes have the eyeliner on. I went in with the Festival by Juvia's, the fuchsia pink, and I used that underneath my waterline and blend it out. I am using my favorite Maybelline New York mascara and applying it on my eyelashes. I am going in with my AOA super glue to apply it on my false eyelashes, and then I am applying it on my eyes. Going back in with my Maybelline New York mascara, I will be applying it to the bottom of my eyelashes so it can get that volume. Now I will be using the eyelashes clamp, and I will be using it to merge the eyelashes and the false eyelashes together so it can become one. I love to do the spot. If you can't see, it do not look separate. It look as one. Sephora colorful blush. Hey Jealousy, that's the name of it. It is a nice pink, fuchsia pink, and I will be applying this on my high cheekbones. Not too heavy but light. It's very pigmented, so both sides will be pink and nice. Going back in with my makeup spray and slay, and I'll be spritzing my face. Oh, I love to use this brand. Why not drink a glass of wine and do your makeup? So the next product I'll be using is Makeup Forever. It is a highlighter and it have a pink undertone like a iridescence. I'll be using a Morphe brush and I will take the makeup slay and spray and spritz it, and then I will be dipping it into the pan and passing it on my high cheekbone, on my forehead, above my nose, and on my chin. And this highlighter is very glowy and nice and pigmented. It have a pink undertone. I love it so much. If you love makeup, invest in it. It will worth your while. If you can't see, I'm using my finger and passing it over my nose. I just love to do that, but I do not use a brush on my nose. I use my fingers. This is a tip and trick. In order to get full plump lips, what I do, I put foundation on my lip, then I blend it out to perfection, and then after I take a pencil and trace it around my lip, above my lip, and then after I plump my lips to blend out the eyeliner so it will look harsh when I'm ready to put on my lipstick or my lip gloss like this. And then I go in with my lip gloss or lipstick, which I'm using Sasha's, and then I apply it top and bottom with Tobago Glow Cranberry. I apply that in the center of my lips and I plump my lips until I get what I want. I find my lips look full, plump and nice. I went in with the makeup, Fix It Plus, spray and slay, and I spritz my face, and this is the result that I get. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and put on your notification bell. And this is it. I'm loving it. This is a Valentine's Day look. Up and close, my feathery eyebrows too. Bye everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for the new subscribers, welcome back. This is Kalita Stylish Rays, and I am letting you know